Give you some idea of the weather. It's rather bleak. It's pretty, but pretty deep snow. Look at those footprints. And orchestra playing in the basement. I just shoveled the driveway up, so that's why I'm puffing. Let me go into the basement. Well, look at my new floor. Whoa. My post. There it is, windows. Can't do much today. I started doing the plumbing, but needed a power tool. And there's the front window in all its glory, or the back window. And hey, there's a plumbing pipe. The view from the window that will be no more pretty soon. Maybe not today though. Okay, quick pan and all that stuff to get rid of. Oh my goodness, the plumbing. And then there's the electricity. And there's a wall needs to go here. I can probably build this because it's 2x4. As soon as the power comes back on, I've got lots of 2x4s. That's it. No flooding. Over and out.